Good afternoon, friends. Crazy new changes have just been made to President Biden's Build Back Better package in order to gain more support from Senate Democrat Joe Manchin. These changes will affect millions of Americans that are expecting to receive a fourth stimulus check this year from Congress. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi is urging that all Americans take immediate action to claim any available stimulus money. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn if you will be affected by these new government changes. Also, do share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, friends, please make sure that you listen for the keyword from this video.
In other words, corporations are making more money in the calendar year 2021 than any year since 1950. That's 70 plus years. Corporate profits are through the roof. We also know, and that came out today, Wall Street Journal, a very pro-business, pro-corporate American newspaper, pointed out that CEO compensation has gone up stratospherically. We know, as the presiding officer from Illinois has pointed out in the past too, we know that corporate profits have continued to go up, that CEO pay has been stratospheric, and that workers' wages have essentially been flat. We also know that corporations, especially oil companies, shipping companies, meatpacking companies, and drug companies have raised their prices dramatically higher than inflation. So what we're seeing is corporate profits are highest in 7 years. CEO compensation is highest ever, big raises last year. Prices have gone up, especially in those four.
So there are big changes that are being made right now to President Biden's legislative agenda. Biden wants to get his massive social spending and climate change bill passed as soon as possible. President Biden told reporters this week that he is now planning to split up his $1.75 trillion Build Back Better Act to get as much as we can now and come back and fight for the rest later. When asked about his new plan, President Biden said that his approach is more targeted. That approach is to make Senate Democrat Joe Manchin, who is president's chief centrist holdout, an offer he cannot refuse. Biden has told reporters that he is about lowering costs for families. President Biden has also shared his thoughts on the latest figures on the U.S. jobs market. The March payrolls report showed that the American economy added 431,000 jobs last month, with the unemployment rate falling to 3.6% from 3.8%, and the percentage of people in the labor force edging up to a new crisis high of 62.4% from 62.3%. Biden said during his speech, "As more Americans get jobs, it's going to help ease the supply pressures we've seen. And that's good news for fighting inflation. It's good news for our economy. And it means that our economy has gone from being on the mend to being on the move." Some economists also highlighted the rise in people joining the labor force and the implications for efforts to tame inflation. According to economists, if the recent trends in wage growth and participation continue, rates will still need to rise substantially. During his speech, Biden also highlighted how workers are benefiting from the strong job market, such as through increases in wages. So my friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you really think that the United States is recovering well from this crisis? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is North Carolina. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards, please friends, click and like several of my videos. Comment below this keyword, which is North Carolina, and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. So friends, here is some big news. Mitt Romney, the senator from Utah and former presidential candidate, has proposed a new stimulus check with his Family Security Act proposal, offering low-income and medium-income families a check of $350 a month for each young child and $250 a month for each school-age child. Now, friends, I know that many of you are wondering, how much would the checks be worth in Mitt Romney's Family Security Act? Well, the program would work so that eligible families with children up to 5 years of age would receive $350 per month, while families with children between the ages of 6 and 17 would also receive $250 per month. As with most stimulus checks, there is a maximum income limit for receiving these benefits. If a single tax filer makes over $200,000 a year, or if a joint filer makes over $400,000, $50 would be deducted from the monthly payments for every additional $1,000 above the income thresholds. But the Family Security Act also includes a work requirement eligibility criteria. The work eligibility requirements are not confirmed as of yet, but it is expected that people would have to work, volunteer, or be in education or training for a set number of hours per month to qualify for the extra checks. The logic behind this is that the additional benefit will encourage people to seek employment, but critics argue that it risks leaving the poorest even further behind. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you agree with the work requirement? Please let me know in the comments section below. There are many U.S. states that are also providing extra relief money for households with children. For example, the state of North Dakota received over $100 million in federal funding as part of the crisis recovery packages. These funds are specifically dedicated to early childhood and the child care sector. In February of this year, its child care assistance program also increased the qualifying level from 60% to 85% of the state's median income. Right now, a North Dakota family of 3 with a household income of $6,193 a month is able to qualify, up from $4,372 previously. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. To say thank you, I'm giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards this coming Friday. If you would like to enter the giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword of each video that you do watch. And friends, do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.